Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some Python problem through PyCharm IDE. Okay, and today I will discuss some 7 different Python program. Actually it's taken as a tricks, Python tricks. So I will discuss this 7 tricks which is so much helpful for your future Python programming. Okay, so go to the computer. In PyCharm IDE, I will discuss one after another each and every tricks in Python elaborately. Okay. Now I am just within the PyCharm IDE, and here I am just write the code for 7 tricks in Python which is very much helpful when you run any Python code, and the Python code will be reduced if you use these tricks in different part of your program if necessary this thing. Okay, so I will discuss one after another each and every tricks is concerned. So first trick is that how to merge 2 distinct dictionary. Okay, means 2 dictionaries is there and how to merge very easily. This trick just using here. Okay, so at first I am just within the Python file ex2.py. so within that file we write our code one after another. Okay, so at first trick is that how to merge 2 dictionary. Okay, so at first we just define a dictionary. Suppose write x equal and just write within curly braces the key and value of the dictionary. One is your key, and suppose q here is using as a value, then 2, then put colon, then w, then suppose we use 3 as key, and after we use e as its value, after we are using 4, then use suppose r, and after suppose we are using 5 and we are using here suppose t. Okay, and at last we use another key which is 6 and suppose y. So these are the set of key and value of this particular dictionary x. Now we define another dictionary. Suppose we write y, and same way we define here suppose at first 10 the key, and suppose we write here a, and then suppose write 11, and then suppose write its value is b, and suppose 12, and suppose its value is just used as a, for example, x. Okay, so these 2 dictionaries is there, x and y is contain some key and value. Now we just merge it in another dictionary, suppose it's z, and how to write? Very simple. Within these curly braces just write double asterisk x comma double asterisk y, means first dictionary and next second dictionary, and use this double asterisk, through which we can easily merge these 2 dictionary in a single dictionary is known as here z. Okay, and now if we print this z, and after we just run this code, just go to run ex2, just see what happened. It's very easily we merge these 2 dictionary x and y within a single dictionary is z. It contain all the elements, means all the key and value of x dictionary and also the y dictionary. Okay, so this is one of the tricks how to merge dictionary very easily. Okay, now go for the second tricks. Now second trick is like that. Suppose we write here import and suppose write sys, and then we are suppose define here 2 sequence. Suppose here we are using a one sequence is a list, other is suppose a tuple. So suppose write a list a and just define within third bracket the value 12, 34, 56, 78, 90 for an example. And suppose b is also there, and which defines some tuple value here. Suppose the value suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, our trick is that how to find out the size of the list and the size of the tuple. Okay, so here we are using some system defined method which is defined within this sys module. Okay, and then we are just write here print, and then we are just write as a formatted string, so F, and within double quote just write list size and put a colon, and then with a curly braces we are just define sys dot, the method name is get size of, and put the list name here A. Okay, and after put a space and then write bytes, because the size is just an output in form of bytes. So this is the first case how to find out the list size using this get size of method which is present in the sys module. Okay, same way if we find out the tuple size, same way we are using this formatted text and then just write suppose tuple size and put a colon, and same way we put a curly braces, just write sys dot get size of, means we are calling this part, and B is your tuple name, and it's also provide the size in bytes. Okay, now if we just run this code, just see it's just sent as an output in our console. List size is 104 bytes and the tuple size is 80 bytes. So how to find out the size of any sequence like list or tuple? In that way we are using this get size of method of this sys module. Okay, and now go for the third tricks, and the third trick is that we are using here swap case method. Suppose a string contain the combination of uppercase and lowercase both. Okay, means within a string whatever the character is there, they some are lowercase and some are uppercase, and this particular swap case method convert which are in lowercase into uppercase and which are in uppercase just go into the lowercase. Okay, so how to do, just see within this code. Okay, so at first we just write here str for a string variable is concerned, and put the string, suppose we write here our channel name TECH, and then N is capital, for example I is small, C is capital, A is small, and L is capital, and then ARCOAN, means this string contain a combination of uppercase and lowercase. Okay, now we convert, means here T is uppercase, now it, when we get the output T will be lowercase, and here A within this arcoan A is a uppercase, now it will be in lowercase. How? Okay, so in that case we just, and here we just call the method swap case method here. Okay, so just write print, and then we just write str dot and then call swap case, this one. Okay, so this is the method through which we can convert uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to the uppercase. Okay, and then just go to the run button and just choose run ex2. Yes, just see technical T will be small, ECH at the all are the lowercase, now all are the uppercase, N is a uppercase, now it's a smaller case. In that way is going on, arcoan A, C and A is uppercase, and here all are in small, where R, O and N are in lowercase, now they are in uppercase. So this is a trick, another trick how to convert your lowercase character to uppercase and uppercase character into lowercase simultaneously in a single string. Right? Now our fourth one, means fourth tricks, is concerned about how to remove the duplicate elements from your list. Okay, so this is our fourth trick. Okay, so in that case we have defined a list at first, A equal, and within third bracket we just define the some list elements, suppose 12 comma 12, 34 comma 34, because they are the duplicates, 50, 90, 1, 2, 1, 6. So some duplicates elements are there like 12, 34, 1. Okay, now what I just write print and then just call list, and within that we just write set and send as argument A. A means what? A is your list which is converted to set, and again the set element is converted to list. So easily set doesn't contain any duplicate elements, so automatically it will delete the duplicate elements or remove the duplicate elements. Okay, so just run this code. Yes, we got our list element but not in duplicate format. So whatever the elements are present into there, they are not duplicate, only the unique elements are present to there. So this is our trick number 4. Right? Now our fifth trick is that we are using some underscore for our numeric value, which is for our visual cases. Okay, suppose we define here some variable n equal, and suppose write 15 underscore 000 underscore 000. Okay, now if we just print n, so what happened? Just see, it not print this underscore, it just print our normal value. So underscore it what? It actually for use for our perfect visualize part, means we can easily define how many digits we are using in our numeric value. So for underscore visual, this particular underscore character is using, so we can easily find out this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so there have some 8 digits is there, but in that case we have some confusion how many digits is counting, have some difficulties is there. So easily visualize the numeric digits within a long digit is concerned, we are using this underscore. So it's also supported in Python. Okay, so this is our trick number 5. Okay, now in our 6th trick we are using some safe parameter, which is very useful. So just see what happened. We just suppose right here day, and suppose within double quote we had put some day 01, then we are using month, suppose we are using same way 01, and then suppose we are using here year, and suppose we using double quote 2023. Okay, now we just print at first, suppose in same manner day comma month comma year, this is the first one. Second print, suppose we are do here like that day comma month comma year. Now we are use here safe parameter, just write safe equal, suppose we put here some slash, means separator should be a slash each day, month and year. Okay, and then we just write another print and just use another safe part day month, and then just write year, and now we use save equal dot. Okay, so this is a formatted part actually. If you run this code, just see. So first case you just use like that 11 space 11 space 2023, but when you use this save slash, so you are using 01 slash 01 slash 2023, and when you use this save as the particular separator as dot, so the dot is using to distinct day, month and year. Okay, so this is our trick number 6. Okay, now trick number 7, I am just going through this ideally cell. Okay, so what the trick number 7 is very easy. Suppose we write 12 plus 3, so it will return 15. Now if you want to retrieve this output, which is just go as a past part, so you just write to retrieve this last result, just write print and just it's print the underscore part, so it's just printing this 15. So underscore, so standalone underscore actually retrieve the past value, just which is go as a past. So 15 is your last result, so it will retrieve the last result from there. Again, suppose we write here x equal 10, and after we just suppose write y equal 20, and suppose we do x divide y, so it retrieve 0.5 as result. Now if you retrieve this result again, so just write print what underscore, so you retrieve the result. Okay, I hope you have understood today's 7 tricks which is I am using through PyCharm and some part of IDLE, and which is so much helpful in your future programming, where you can use these tricks and you can reduce your particular code when you write some Python code in some software development part. Okay, so if you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have some doubts, so just write in the comment section of this video. And still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Technical Archwin, and keep watching my channel Technical Archwin. Thank you and bye bye.